Uncle show on 1190 The Fan.
There
Welcome.
he is.
Good to be here. Thank you guys so much for inviting me to be here.
Thanks for coming in. Everyone's asking, is this a good hire for Arkansas?
Listen.
At first, when the news first broke, I was thinking this is a little underwhelming. This wasn't the big home run that we were looking for. The more I've looked into what Coach Bielema has done at Wisconsin, he's a much better choice than what I initially thought that he would be. And I think he's going to be someone who, he's a disciplinarian and a straight shooter, and I think that's what Arkansas really needs right now.
He's definitely known how to win in the Big Ten.
He's 68-24.
Yeah.
He's on his way to his third Rose Bowl in a row. And everyone has really been concerned about, well, he doesn't have the style of offense that we're used to. The Bobby Petrino throwing the ball down the field, making it happen. This last year, they were 11th in the nation in rushing, 111th, I believe, in passing. Well, those aren't numbers we like. However, in 2011 and 2011, they threw for over 3,000 yards, which was more than Arkansas threw for.
Yeah.
In 2011, when Bobby Petrino was here, 2010 threw for over 2,500 yards, which is a lot. So he's not just a ground it and pound it type coach. It's going to be a lot of fun, exciting. His teams average over 40 points a game. That's the exciting part, right? Not moving the ball, it's scoring.
Yeah.
You said you were underwhelmed, but after you learned more about him, you said you were starting to see why they chose him. What are some of the things that you noticed? Do you think that he could bring here to our team?
Well, I think the fact that he is a disciplinarian. We had Bobby Petrino, who was an iron fist and very disciplined with this team. Then you had John L. Smith, who was kind of an open hand and go do whatever you want. We need that coach back that's going to be a disciplinarian coach. To make sure that these guys are doing what they need to do. He'll bring in the kind of players that we'll be proud to have here.
He's a recruiter, no doubt about it.
Well, his recruiting numbers haven't been great, but if you look at his what he has on his staff right now, or on his team, he has several players from Florida, and 4 or 5, I think, from Texas, 12 or 13 from Florida. So he's been able to go down and get those kind of players, and he's a great evaluator of talent. You know, Bobby Petrino's recruiting classes were never that high. Neither has been as Coach Bielema coach been.
I'm going to have to work on that one.
His recruiting classes haven't been that high, but he's won with them.
Yeah.
And he gets the most out of the talent that he has.
I've been impressed by the size of his linemen. I mean, offense and defense, big guys.
You go and you look at what's on his roster right now, and you see guys. I was really proud when we got a couple of guys that were 6'7".
Yeah.
One guy that was 6'9". But you look at what he has on his roster right now, and they're 6'8", 6'9", 6'7", 6'7". You know, just like
all of them over 300 pounds.
Well over 300 pounds. They have one guy that's 6'1", but besides him, they're all 6'5" or above, and they have what seems to be about twice as many offensive linemen there as we have right now.
Which is where we've been weak in the SEC.
Right,
So who knows? We'll see what happens.
All right, we'll talk more later.
Jeff.
Thank you. Now, we haven't heard much about this coach until now, but if he